Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. I've been trying not to talk about the whole bid thing a whole lot. I mean, you know, you kind of, if you're gonna just vlog and talk about what's going on, everything kind of revolves around it. In about 6 days, the state of Missouri is going to start opening things back up. I don't know, what kind of social distancing restrictions we may still have, or how many people to a building, and some of those kinds of things. But they're going to start letting businesses, non-essentials, open back up and get the economy rolling again. That's kind of what's going on here as far as that whole scenario. Other than that, it's a Monday night. Me and April are out doing our weekly ride. We usually do this on Wednesday night, but looks like the forecast is going to be pretty crappy Wednesday, maybe rained out. So we're doing it on Monday night. I want to shout out to everybody who subscribed to the channel and say thank you. Last I looked earlier today, we were at 289 subscribers. I'd love to be at 300 subscribers by the end of the month, but that's only about 4 days away. That probably won't happen, but I'll be real close to that, and that's better than I thought I'd be. It's had a really good month for the channel. We had like 80 plus subscribers in 1 month. I think that's probably my best month yet for growth, and been doing this about 5-6 months, so that's awesome. If you haven't watched the motovlog recently in my area, you will see that things are much greener than they were probably the last time I put one out. The green is coming on fast. Last week I think me and April did 400 or 500 miles. It's probably the biggest week she's had on her own bike. So she's getting back in the saddle and getting used to things and doing really good. I haven't been doing much on the Streetglide this last week. I did do some DR 650 stuff that you'll see come out in another video here shortly. You'll definitely want to check out that first ride I do in the dirt, because yeah, there's a surprise in that one. Yeah, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. That's about all there is to it. I just wanted to, we're gonna ride, and I wanted to give a big shout out and a big thank you to everybody that subscribes to the channel, everybody that follows me on Facebook and Instagram, follows my channel on there. I appreciate it. Now we're gonna burn some cars up the hill here. Hope y'all are having a great day, being safe, staying healthy. Appreciate everybody's support. Keep on riding.